boats here just pulled in, just came across the lake. A little sporty ride, but it was a good time. Now we got our wristbands, we're heading in. There's supposed to be a great band tonight, and we're gonna tear it up and party and have some fun. And this is our Vice Commodore.
How was the ride? It's good.
How are you?
Oh, good. Good ride, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. What you guys with?
Have a token. Oh, look, they got a luge. Definitely coming back here. That was so cute. Yes!
No way.
It's
12 and 6, baby.
here we go. Okay. That's a good word. We should
My
make a
boat's
new
name
song.
is Spirit.
We should make a new
We just said
song.
hallelujah. How's the tunes on show?
Oh, they're really good.
Appropriate.
We're here at Riverview Yacht Club having a great time this weekend, and we're just about to watch and witness the fleet captain cardboard boat race. So we're going to watch it live here. We're all having a good time, having drinks, hanging out with friends, enjoying ourselves, and we'll see who's going to win, and hopefully ElbaMar Boat Club will be the winner. All right, we're about to get underway right here for the big cardboard boat race. They're all lining up now. They're about to launch the boats. We are ready. They are ready. And we're going to see what happens here. We got a referee down here floating around, make sure everything's, you know.
Yeah, I see it.
Well, they make it.
And I can see it. Every boat, you see your prop through that water.
Oh, you think so? Oh, that's Tony's wisdom on the race. Here we go.
You gotta watch out, man.
It's cheating walking yours along the bottom.
Is that Rick underwater way back there?
Walking in it.
Rick is like... Now Jim won't have to get in the water.
That's the wrong way.
Let's go, Ryan! Let's go!
That one's sunk out there.
kayak, did the last snap on the boat. We went down to Riverview Yacht Club for the weekend. We had a blast, lots of fun and excitement. And then we came and went out at the cross deck today all day. It's been a gorgeous, gorgeous day, but the day has come to an end, and the trip, but what a good time. Thanks for watching.